Hello, how are you? And welcome back to my YouTube channel, Course by Sid. So, first of all, to make this calculator application, we need to create a folder. I have already created a folder named calculator under my projects folder. So, I'm going to open this calculator folder. And also, I have created one more folder, that is the images folder, and I have pasted the image, right, the background image over here. So I'll come back to my calculator folder, and then I'll select and then I'll type cmd. So and then after that I'll type code dot. Basically this will open my Visual Studio Code. So I have to wait. It takes some time to load. It is still loading. Okay, so there we go. Our calculator folder is opened in our Visual Studio Code. Now what next we'll need to do? We'll need to create the file. First file we'll need to create in the calculator folder is index.html, right? So we'll click over here, new file. We'll add new file and we'll type the name of the file, index.html, right? And one more file we'll need to create in the calculator folder. We'll create style.css, and our last file will be script.js file. Okay, so three files we have created. One is for the HTML, the second one is for the styling, that is our CSS file, and the third one is for adding the functionality to our application. We require JavaScript file and we named it as script.js. So first we'll create our index.html file. So we'll just type html5 and then we'll press the tab button. Basically this is emit abbreviation. This will automatically give this formatting of the HTML or these head and body tags. Okay, and in the title section we're going to write my calculate. I can write only calculator application. Okay, and then we're going to save our file. It's a good practice that whenever you're making some changes in your files, it is better that you'll press Ctrl+S to save your file, so that your work will not be lost, right? And then after that we need to define a div in our body section. So I'm just typing div, then press the tab button, and there we go. I'm giving a class container, class calculator. Okay, calculator I'm giving calculator. Okay, and then I am giving one input tag. In input tag, okay, the type I am giving text, and also I am giving one ID. ID is equal to result, let's say, and I'll make this read only, right? And area label also I'm just mentioning, that is result, and one placeholder also, that is this 0. Okay, now the next thing is I will create a keypad. So for that I require one div, and I'm giving a class name uh, that is keypad. Okay, and here in this keypad there are certain buttons, right? So I'll write button tag, and then in the button tag first thing is the clear button, right? Similarly I'm going to copy this one, clear button, and then I'm going to write backspace symbol. So for backspace symbol I need to write LARR. This is our backspace symbol, and then I'm going to mention divide symbol, then 7 8, then I'm going to give the numbers, right? And then I'll type into, and then 4 5 and 6. Okay, before moving forward, first thing I forgot to tell you that you need to install one extension, that is the live server from Ritwik Day. Live server. So this you need to install. This is already installed in my case. In your case, if it is not installed, just click on the install button, right? And I'm going to tell you that why we are installing this. Reason being because if you'll click on your index.html file, then when you open with the live server, so just a second, it is opening. So you can see that we have mentioned one input tag and some certain buttons. So it is showing over here, and at the title it is showing calculator application, which we have just mentioned. What I was telling, that what is the advantage of this extension. So suppose if I'm changing if I'm making any change, I'll say that instead of C I'm writing cake. Okay, so you can see that cake has updated automatically. We don't need to reload the page, right? So this is the advantage of installing this extension, live server. Okay, so we are changing it back to the C. Okay, and yeah, you can see this automatically updated. Now the next thing, we have given the numbers like this. We're going to arrange in a vertical manner. So but before that we have to mention all the numbers. So I'm just copying paste these buttons. So after 6 I need to mention the minus symbol, and then I need to mention numbers 1 2 and 3, and then a plus symbol, I just need to add 2 more buttons. One is for the decimal, and I'm writing this as 0, and this I'm writing for decimal, and last one more button, that is equal to button for calculating our results. Okay. Okay, so let me check my UI. 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, divide, multiply, subtraction, addition, 0, and decimal, and equal to. Okay, everything is set. Now we'll just need an indentation, right? So you can see that our button is there, okay, but no functionality is added to it, right? Because we have simply mentioned the buttons. And at the last we're going to make one footer section. So I'm just writing footer. Okay, and then in the footer section I want to write in curly braces, so I'm just writing and open curly double quotes. Okay, and also I'm writing one more, that is close curly double quotes. Okay, now in between that I'm adding my text made with, and here I'm giving I want to make a symbol of heart, so I'll just type and hearts, right? Made with love. Here I'm writing my channel name, course by Sid, and then I'm going to add a copyright symbol, so I'm just writing copy, copy, and then I'm giving all rights reserved. Okay, so let me check our UI. Okay, yeah, definitely spacing is required, and the calculator like the buttons which are looking over there, these need to be in vertical format. So we have created our HTML file, and one more thing, before the body tag we'll need to add our JavaScript file. So how we're going to add our JavaScript? Let's make one comment also, adding JavaScript file. Okay, so and then just select this text and press Ctrl and backslash key, Control and forward slash. Okay, so this will come in the form of comment, and then we're going to write script, and source I'm going to give that is script.js, because it is in the same folder, right? So our JavaScript file has been added, and at this starting we'll also going to add our first of all I'm giving one comment connecting CSS file, right? Then control plus forward slash, and then I'm writing link, and to the source I'm giving style.css, right? So this will add my CSS file, and also I need to define the type of this link. So I'll write type and text slash CSS type. Okay, so this is all for this video. In the next video we'll see that how to work in CSS and how to work on JavaScript file, and also in the index.html in the button section we'll add our on click functions. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.